Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked how would you remove the discontinuity of f? In other words, how would you define f of 2 in order to make f continuous at 2? So the problem here is that if we plug in 2 directly, we'd be dividing by 0. So for this rational function, what we want to do is we want to remove a factor from the top and the bottom. And what that's going to do is it's going to keep it to be the exact same function except at a single point. So if we write f of x as x cubed minus 8 is x cubed minus 2 cubed, and x squared minus 4 as x squared minus 2 squared, we can use the formula for the difference of two cubes and the difference of two squares to say this is equal to x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4 over x minus 2 times x plus 2. And again, we can eliminate this restriction, this factor, and it's only impacting x minus 2 not being able to equal to 0, x not equal to 2. But this is a good thing because this is a problem that we typically have when we're simplifying fractions, where like we can't remove a factor from the denominator because we're removing a domain restriction. We actually want the domain restriction to be gone at this point. So we can say that this is simply equal to x squared plus 2x plus 4 over x plus 2. So how do we remove the discontinuity? We say that f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 4 over x plus 2, in which case f of 2 is equal to 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 4 over 2 plus 2. This is 4 plus 4 plus 4 over 4, which is 12 over 4, which is 3. And we can say that because there's no domain restriction, the limit as x approaches 2 of the function is equal to f of 2.